Hello friends, welcome back to the Koshu Vlogger channel. And it's been some time now. I was actually very busy regarding my exams of fourth year. So finally I got the time and I was actually planning to do this video before my exams had started, because most of the books which I was about to show you physically are not present with me because I had to return it back to the library. I usually don't refer new books, like I don't buy new books since it becomes waste after a certain period of time. So what I usually do is I go for the second hand books, or I usually purchase some in online if it comes at a cheaper price. So today's topic is fourth year PharmD books which you can have or which you can refer. So in fourth year PharmD, we have total of six subjects, like how we had in second year and third year PharmD. So out of the six, I am going to read out the names. This is the syllabus copy which I have the of my previous year. So Therapeutics 3 is the first book, and like usual, I usually refer you to go to this particular book, the mammoth of all books, and the brother of the book Dipiro. So pharmacotherapeutics is a very vast subject. Around 90 chapters come, I guess, in total, in which 30 are all the 90 are present in this particular book, along with some few cases which is required for practicals. So this is the sixth edition of clinical pharmacy and therapeutics. So we call it Roger and Walker textbook usually. It's not mentioned anywhere, but I usually refer it with that name. And this is my favorite book also, along with the favorite subject. So this is the best recommended book. Apart from that, the Dipiro textbook is available, and some personally made notes are also applicable. Second subject is hospital pharmacy. So hospital pharmacy, you can go for Merchant and Goyal, which is coming right now on the screen. So this book is best referred for hospital pharmacy subjects. A easy subject, like similar to your pharmacoceutics and jurisprudence, which is in third year and first year. So you can go for this subject, like you can go for this particular textbook. The next is clinical pharmacy. I don't have to refer this actually, because since I had recently written my exams, I know all the names by heart. So clinical pharmacy, you can go for Parthasarathi. I referred the second edition Parthasarathi, and it was it's coming on the screen, and it was one of the best textbooks I referred for that particular subject, because each and every single question asked in the examination was from that particular textbook for this year. So I truly loved the Parthasarathi textbook. Now coming up to the subject number 4, that is BSRM, Biostatistics and Research Methodology, the full form of the subject. We call it BSRM. So there's no particular textbook for this subject. That is the disadvantage. So what we usually do, we PharmDians, we sometimes refer BPharm notes, or we go for the Pharmadost website. The link of the website I'll put it down in the description so that you also can refer it. So Pharmados consists of all the chapters of this particular subject, and you can refer some other websites also where it is available. Now, apart from these four subjects, the next is BPPK, that is Biopharmaceutics and Pharmacokinetics. For BPPK, you can go for the Brahmankar textbook, or CVS Subramaniam is also available. Brahmankar is one of the best textbooks which covers 90%, 95% of everything. CVS Subramaniam has little bit of extra information compared to Brahmankar. So apart from these, we'll keep the BPPK aside and now go to the final subject, which is clinical toxicology. For clinical toxicology, you can go for the toxicology textbook of Mr. Dr. V.V. Pillai. So Dr. V.V. Pillai's textbook is very informative, and it has a detailed explanation of each and every topics. So that's the best recommended book, and we personally refer that book for our syllabus, and obviously for passing or clearing of the subjects which usually we say. But knowledge is equally important. So whatever textbooks I referred right now in this video is the best textbooks for fourth year PharmD. So you can refer that and you too will come to know the reality. So friends, I hope you like this video, and do comment me regarding what other things I can do or what other new videos that I can share for you people, because since the last 2 months I was busy focusing on my subjects. Right now I am like completely blank which new video to bring to you people. So there are some videos in my mind which are yet to come and which are yet to be made. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and keep that love and support for me always, so that one fine day I really reach some level. So until next time folks, bye.